Okay, I am right. One question asks, get only the numbers that is get only the number is getting greater than 5 and less than 10. Okay, this is a only the greater than 5 and less than 10. Yes, how to create a logical operator use? They are basics of two condition. Then there's the last the start as the user function as the defined as the user function. User num equals to input. Input. Okay. Input I use is enter a number. What is this mean by? You have a this run this or this code. You have a run code and this enter the number is run a display a user. The number have been display enter a number display a user. The user have been enter to store in a number have a store. A user thus enter the number of stored in num. Okay. If I am done of this program print and num. User however run this program also then also is a display in user and enter the number of 5 is print of 5 number. Then is the output is 5 and there is a I inform you this is a this is a string value. The input function by default will take string value, string data types, sorry, as a string data types. This is the string data is a like this is a 5 example of is the string data types. This is a number of proper or number of use main thing support there. This is a not be a correct. I'm the int. I use a integer number. How to write a integer number? It's a number of integer. It's a not be a string types. Okay, the this is a integer number is a I use a int and bracket and use a bracket also a close. This is a integer number. How to check is a integer number is a string number? How to check? Okay, I have to check this all the program. Then I check how to check this program to type. This is a type. write a bracket, write to type and close the bracket. And sorry, is first your what is the type of string? Is a string number? Is not a integer. As the print of the this program, I is a 5 enter is a class of string. Is a class is string number. I use a integer. What is a integer number? I int first int bracket and there are bracket close. This is a integer number. Is the class what is a run and enter the number 5 enter the integer enter number is a integer number. Okay, and why not use any string numbers? The and logic gate is a compare or to use any string have a string not any help or compare a variable. To integer int is a compare to help in Python program. Is a this also by a compare to another number to another number. A number to B number to compare a use a integer number. Okay, and let's start remove this and the first condition. Write a first condition. First condition is num is less than 5 and second condition is less than 0. How to run is the help to and logic operator. Use and num bracket num is less than 10. Yes, is a compare this and this to help to integer class to int to help the compare to both. Okay, I will run to how to run print. Yes, is a true and false. Give me an answer for is a true and false. Yes, is a true. Enter the number is true and false. And give me the number. Enter is false. Why is not be a true? The enter I am enter user enter is 5 and number and equals to 5. Yes. Is greater than 5? Not. Is change and is a less than 0? Yes. Is always logic operator to use a both conditions are true. There are is called a logic and operator. Okay, the run and input I with 6 is true and false. Give me an answer. Give me an answer is true and false. Yes, is a true. Why is it true? Is it greater than 5 and less than 10? Yes, is a 6 number is greater than 5 and less than 10. Then both the condition have true and output always and operator is always output is true. Okay, and the next is two conditions get get output as true if the enter age is greater greater than equal or 18. Okay, greater then or equal is equal. Okay, equal to 18. Okay, then 18's other one condition have been 18 equal or then 18 more than 6 more than how to check this all the program. Okay, and okay, I have the check and this age is are equal 18 are they both greater than 18. These are one conditions have been true. Okay, age equal int and int input enter your age, enter your age, and 1 minute some user this could be have multiple conditions and then run through this condition age how to is the find the age. Okay, and condition is one condition. I check the condition one is age is age a less than 18 and second statement or use a or operator and second condition to check 18 equals to is age equals to 18 have a run this code and put input is 18 is true not. I sorry that print and no any print function to use print condition 1 then are the input 18 is a true. Why is it true? Give me an answer. Any idea of why is true? Yes, the second condition is true or always or operator is one condition have been true always answer be are true and they do both condition one two condition uh, both condition any one condition have be true the answer is true and then one times upon write a code and this is a 16 this is a 16 this is a false why this is a 6 less than 18 yes is the age of equal 18 no is a less than 18 greater than 18 no is a equal 18 not is a also is a what is a false and one times right enter the third time is 22 enter is true why this condition have be true then greater than 18 22 yes is a true. Okay, logical not is used to condition condition is true this condition have be used to is true is print condition is true yes 1 minute just this is a Okay, just 1 minute. What is the problem? Is true, and then this condition have be a true. The print of the condition have be true. These are not why you are not. The not user this is true and is the reverse. True is a false. Why? How to create a false? I input true and the output is true. And and I use not operator. As always, the output have be a reverse. This is the input of the true and our output is false. Then I write a not, not use a answer have be reverse. This is a play and run to code. This is the false. Why is a not logic operator is always a reverse the answer. Then I use a false. I use false this enter. Then is reverse to true. Okay. Uh, and you are understanding for this three logic logical operator, yes or not. Okay, is the topic have we completed? And the next topic is condition statement. What is the next topic is the condition statement. Just 1 minute and then I remove all the this. Okay, and second is the conditional statement. There are three types of condition statement. I write the one by one statement how to run this all the program. Okay, okay. I will start the condition and the first understanding to uh, syntax. Syntax of if statement. Okay, and I run to if condition. I to input and just 1 minute is the title. Spelling is not be correct and change the title. Title. Okay. And enter the number of condition. I use a statement. And next line is the statement. Okay. State. You write a statements. Enter. Enter. This next is the else. What is the else condition? So 1 minute. Else condition. That is the second step is the else condition. And third is the write as one. Third is the statement. You write a statement. Okay. Statements. Enter. And that statement have been run. And the before you run to code, enter, run to code, your statement and the all the program to write all the things. And last is the last of the else column. Use the last statement. What is the last statement? And next is the understanding all the how to run all the this program, and the start with the understanding all the this syntax and the all condition statement. The first example, I will write the first understanding to example, a title, example 1. Then check if the number is getting greater than 0 or not. Number is equals to input, enter a number. Okay, the enter the number have be getting the 0 and less than 0, getting the 0. Okay, I will check this program and how to check that. And if condition to num and less than is 0, and I print the number is greater than 0, and first and this code the run and check is run or not. I insert the 1 is true and false. Give me answer is yes or not. Okay, I run 0. Okay, is a run. And the how to check this, and 1 upon 10 the input as 7. Our answer, which is the answer of this? Yes, number greater than 0. Yes or not? Your understanding of the this code, yes or not? Okay, is a 0 is a greater than a 0. 7 is a, and I'm right a minus 7. I'm right a minus 7. What happened is that this number have been greater or the integer number to have a greater a less than 0. Yes. So how to check, how to print the is a less than 0, and I use a else. I use a else. 1 minute, just else to use to check a less than 0. Okay, I use the print the number is less than 0. Yes, and right, one of us write the code and my run input, user input, and minus 7 and enter the code is a right, is a you output is number. 1 minute, number is less than 0 is help to the check the first condition have be false to else to help the second condition to run this the minus 7 to less than 0, yes, and greater than 0, no, when this to help else conditions. Okay, you understanding to all this program. to understand. Yes or not? Give me an answer. Yes or not? Uh, to not be understanding of this code. And the next code we and example 2. Next program is example 2. Example 2. And second example is how to check a number is positive or negative. How to check? Yes, is a check to number having less than is a positive or less than is negative or greater than as a zero is positive. Okay, and let's start the check if the number is positive or negative. The either check num used to int input number. If num greater than zero is true at the if condition num and input the user input a num value is greater than zero is answer with print is number is a positive number. This is a positive number and is not be positive is a less than zero is used to else. Then print print is number number is negative. What is a negative? This is a negative output. Okay, I'm gonna run this code and I input the number of 5. Is positive? Yes. Is the positive of number? Is the greater than 0? And next time I'm done of -5. Is a negative number? Yes. Is a less than negative number is a 5. And the next time I'm done 0. What is this? What is the output of 0? Give me an answer. Not. Is not be a positive number. Is not be a negative number. Is a neutral number. And run this. This is a neutral number. Okay. This is a not be a positive number. Not be a negative number. Have not be a mentions of the this is a, always is a negative number to print. And to how to check the zero is negative and the positive. How to create then how to check and then enter then number is 0 then I use l if condition to number equal to 0 is print this a print just 1 minute print is 0 is a number have be a number have be a 0 to print a number is 0 okay number have be not as a positive number or not be a negative number is a neutral number or this condition have be To prove this is enter the number have be a 0 to and enter the output is the number have be 0. Then I have to run this program, enter the 0 is a number have a 0, and run 5, enter the number have be a positive number, and run a negative 5 is output is a the number have is a negative number. You have a understand to our example to yes or not. You have any question to ask me? Okay, to all the understand this example too. Okay, okay. This is the lesson. This is the chat. These questions check admin. Then okay, you check if you are admin, then you have admin privilege. Else have a do not access of the password at your own website. How to create? This is a your own website to check. You are check if you are admin. Then you have a admin password username and you have the password username you correct you the access of admin you have a not incorrect username to show the incorrect username and incorrect password of a and show the incorrect password how to create all the this okay mention admin not user mention username I mention username. I mention 1 minute just I mention the username name equals to I mention a username. Uh, I then use int put the enter double column used to enter the username and I check um, how to check the user admit username then use to admin underground username user the admin username then input the name is admin is my admin admin at the rate 123 is not be a match the username is this admin 123 okay or the user have been not you are not be a seen this username and to display a incorrect password you same the one this the same to you access your website to enter the your welcome to your admin page okay how to access this code the step by step I understand to you how to this code okay okay next if username equals to double equals to admin username enter the print the answer have been correct to output this output what is the output this the welcome okay the welcome admin kindly enter your you enter the username and password. Is the password is the must be a use. Is the password is the most main most importance of this admin page. The password is the most important of the admin page. Then and password. The password the input password then equals to input. Enter admin password. This is the admin password. What is the password? Is the admin password. This is the admin password. Okay. Enter admin as the input the admin password. What is the admin password? The enter admin password equal to pass at the rate 432. This is the password of admin. Okay. This is the password of admin. If condition, if password password equals to admin admin password, the password have be correct to print welcome admin. You have admin privilege. Okay, privilege. Privilege. You have a your password have be correct. Your password have be correct. You always you print always you welcome admin. Have your admin a privilege. You provide a privilege. Okay. You have a wrong password to how to output. This password have been next to check this password have been wrong to else to print then a password have been incorrect. The password have been wrong to else to help to your password is invalid. What is a invalid admin password? Okay, they are the incorrect password. Okay, this is all the admin. Okay, and the next to how to is the check. Then I will check is else user name is unequal admin unequal admin username unequal admin username then print the person who's not be a admin to print this statement. Okay, not are the admin, they are the all student professor. You have a access this also. Then you have a incorrect to use to print. Welcome to use enter the automatic username. Okay, the username you automatic to print. And else print if incorrect. You have a user ID incorrect, invalid username. What is the right way? User name. Okay, this is output of username.